Welcome to the first module of our Criminal Justice Ethics course. In this particular quick video, what I want to do is just set the objectives for this particular module that you're going to be going through. And we're going to be doing various things to introduce you to the course and how things will work here. First thing we're going to do is I'm going to introduce myself, and then I'm going to turn it over to you and have you introduce yourself to your classmates, and I have a few exercises. Some of the things I'm going to ask you to do in this particular module are not only are good for us to be able to have a cohesive class, for people to learn what other people are doing and understanding what's going on in the course, but also it's going to help you make sure you can exercise the kinds of things that I'm going to ask you to do throughout the course within Blackboard. If you're not sure what Blackboard is, don't worry, we will get to that, but I hope you've at least gotten on and tried that. So first thing we'll be doing are introductions. Then what I want to do is, rather than going through a whole discussion of the course requirements, the things that are found in the syllabus, the first thing I want to do is ask you to talk about an ethical or a moral problem, and I'm going to ask you to try to solve it, to kind of jump into the course material, because after all, this is a course, it's a philosophy course about ethics in the criminal justice area. But the question is, what is an ethical or a moral problem? And the way to get a handle on that is by jumping right in and starting it. The next thing we'll do is I'll turn a little bit to Blackboard and walk you through Blackboard. You might have seen that if you've seen my earlier videos. If not, you will go through and see what Blackboard has in it and how you're going to proceed through this course. Next, we're going to go through the syllabus, and also going to give you the details about how the course will proceed, what you need to do to be successful in the course, what we're going to be covering, how you're going to be graded in this course, and how we're going to give you exercises to help you learn the material. And finally, and it's probably not going to happen in this order, but as we go along, you'll see there are various assignments. As I mentioned right at the start, part of what I'm having you do in this particular module is get an understanding of how to proceed through the course, where to find things, and how we're going to interact. And we'll be talking about all of that stuff.